Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, please, if you're new here, it's totally free. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. All right, let's get right into it. So, it looked like Bitcoin. I went to sleep last night. Bitcoin was actually under 38K last night. It looked like it just recently pumped. And you know what? It could have been over 38K, uh, but like the low 38. But that was at 38,486. I don't think I've seen it this high. So, the way things are going, Bitcoin can definitely hit 40K like really soon. This is looking really good. I think Bitcoin is at the point where, you know what, whether I get a spot Bitcoin ETF soon or not, I'm gonna pump regardless because history's shown that Bitcoin is pumped, at the beginning of our, pre-bull run. But like I said, this time is a lot different. I think everybody's gearing up. But honestly, I think that Bitcoin could possibly be at hit 45,000 by the time it gets approved, and I'll just say 40 to 45,000 by the time the spot Bitcoin ETF get approved. This is what's today? Wow, today's December 1st. Wow, time went by so fast. November, it seemed like October. November just flew by so quick. Now we're in December. It's December 1st now. Amazing. And yeah, I believe there's going to be a lot of big things happening this month in December. Yeah, like I said, you got BlackRock, Grayscale, Ark Invest, MicroStrategy, all these companies. Apparently, there's between 10 to 12 companies that's applying for the spot Bitcoin ETF. And what's going to happen is that honestly, there's not going to be enough Bitcoin around the go arounds. That's the reason the analysts and professionals, whatever you want to call them, they're already saying that Bitcoin is going to go parabolic because we know that Bitcoin is global, but now we know here in the U.S. they're going to do the spot Bitcoin ETF. I heard that in Europe the spot ETF was already approved in Europe. They already got it going in Europe. But like I said, but I guess the U.S. market is a little bit bigger. I guess the investor size or whatever you want to say. But like I said, this when this get approved, I believe that Bitcoin is going to have its own parabolic run. Then altcoins, when it comes to altcoins are really going to go crazy. I think, honestly speaking, guys, I think in 2024, come spring, summer 2024, there's going to be a lot of profit taking. There's going to be already a lot of profit taking because we're probably going to see a pullback. Most likely, we're going to see a pullback. There's another video I wanted to make because there's actually some weird rumor going on that leading up to the Bitcoin halving this spring that that we may get a major crypto dump by the Bitcoin halving. So I'm going to pay close attention to that. But I believe it's definitely going to be this market is going to move so fast that people will be taking profits in 2024, sell their positions, and then wait for the market, wait for another like I don't know if the market is going to flash crash in 2024 or well, as far as Bitcoin, or we may get some type of a dip in 2024, and then after that, a lot of people is going to buy back in, and then the market is going to go on another parabolic run. But I'm going to try to keep you guys updated with that. I'm still trying to find out more information about that myself. But yeah, I think this is the highest Bitcoin has been so far for this year. Now it's currently pumping as I make this video 38,500. So yeah, Bitcoin, this thing is gonna we all know what this is Bitcoin, so it needs no introduction. Let me see here. Look at that market cap. The market cap for Bitcoin itself is 753 billion. 753 billion right now for the Bitcoin market cap by itself. The whole cryptocurrency market, I think, is over a trillion. I think we're at probably at 1.2 or 3 trillion, but Bitcoin by itself is at 753 billion by itself. So think about when they get the 30 to 40 trillion um, of think about when a crypto market get pumped, get whatever the 30 trillion pumped into it. That's gonna be something amazing once that what's that, 20 trillion or whatever, get, of more money gets pumped into it. But look at this. This is going to be amazing once the SPY Bitcoin ETF goes through. We all know what the circulating supply is for Bitcoin, 21 million. Uh, okay, the total supply 19 million. Apparently, that's what's in circulation for Bitcoin, 19 million, 558,118. Max supply, 21 million for Bitcoin. But then again, that's not including apparently 6 million Bitcoins were lost. So I guess you'll subtract that 6 million Bitcoin that was lost forever, right? People who lost their Bitcoin or whatever. Anyways, but yeah, there we have it. Uh, like I said, the Bitcoin halving, the mining is gonna get reduced. The mining is gonna get reduced, and then that's gonna send the supply and demand up out the roof for the supply and demand once the mining gets reduced for the halving. You know, Even me at first, I didn't even know what the Bitcoin halving. At first, I remember I didn't even know what that meant. Then I found out that's what it meant about the mining. The mining supply is going to get cut, and so that's going to send the Bitcoin price going crazy high. Yep. So that's what the Bitcoin halving is. For people that don't know, like I said, at one point I didn't know what that meant either. At one point, but hey, we all learn in this crypto currency market. Even me, I'm constantly learning, new things. I am no crypto expert. I'll tell you guys that I'm no expert, but I'm constantly learning as I go. Since I've been doing my channel. Uh, Let me see here. Yep, my portfolio is doing pretty good. I'm going to make another video about AOS. AOS is doing great, but that's just going to be a totally separate video. But yeah, that's my update. Wow, Bitcoin is pumping fast. It looked like it's about to hit 38,600. It looked from the way things are looking, Bitcoin could be pumping up to 40K. We could hit 40K by this weekend. Just by the way things are looking, it's looking really. Uh, Things are looking like really really good right now. Um, but yeah, hope everybody have a good Friday. That's my update on Bitcoin, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.